Hi everyone. Today Saturday, 8 p.m. And now I go to Fields Avenue with Georgi. Georgi said I want to follow you and we together walk and I show to you what's new in the Fields Avenue. You know, once a week I filming in the Fields Avenue for you. Before I show to you in the walking street, but walking street they said not allowed filming. And also in this video I want to ask again active about filming, but I not use camera. I just go to barangay guys active and I will ask about filming allowed or not. I not hold camera. Georgi will take video me. Okay, let's go. You see, Garden View Hotel is closed. Long time already. Prime City close. Doors, red doors close. Ambulance. Okay, ambulance. Angeles City. American Legion, only one American inside. Nighttime, popular bars. And temperature right now 20 degree. 20. It's not hot. That's why I use jacket. Cheeky monkey popular. Many people always sit, rest, drink beer because they say it is cheaper than in the walking street. One problem with this sewage water, not easy to walk. Urine, it's already long time ago. They cannot fix. I don't know what happened. This is bars. Jane Marie. Thai restaurant. Open Thai restaurant. Only every Tuesday close. Laundry close. One car for patrons. It's one patron only here. One car. Albasio restaurant. We walk with Georgi now. Georgi said, I want exercise today. But later, of course, we will go to Clark. Before walking Fields Avenue, we walk in the Clark. Milana's coffee shop still closed. I don't know why. Brass Knob Hotel for sale, but still open bar. Kona Hotel also for sale, have bar also, nightclub. Yes, they bored, don't have people here. Happy Lashes. Maybe happy. Oh, we remove garbage here. It's good. Georgi, but in the Fields Avenue here, we remove garbage. But why your place is also Barangay Balibago or not? Or Balabanias? Malabanias Barangay. I don't know why Barangay Malabanias don't want to clean. Different barangay, different problems. Georgi, did you walk before in walking street today? Long time not been? Oh, yesterday. Many people or not? Ah, you don't know, many or not, you don't know.
I watch, huh? I watch.
Thank you.
Don't put him in the street. In the beginning, he got arrested. The blogger.
What?
Sim, you know.
Ah, but I don't know, I not watch YouTube.
He got arrested.
Ah, why?
Blogger.
Hi?
Yeah, because he was blogging and all the bad things he was saying.
I know Russian guy, blogger, arrested because... Estonia.
Yeah,
Maybe...
And then he overstayed his visa.
Overstay visa, of course.
They got him for a couple of things.
No, need to follow rules in the Philippines, you know.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah. No, of course, if overstay, of course I will arrested. If I overstay. Need to follow rules. Blogger or not blogger, need always follow rules. Need to pay for visa. Evrotel. Watson. Saturday, usually heavy traffic on Saturday. Even don't have cars, take a look. It's good, of course, if don't have cars, don't have traffic. For me it's better. But don't have people also. Take a look, empty street. Saturday $7.50, dollar 58.60, also 58.60, same 58.60. Yes, way same rates. Korean restaurant, hotel, abandoned hotel. JJ. Here 58.65. Okay. Margarita Station close. I think new Margarita Station better. Georgi, did you been before an old Margarita Station? Where better, old or new? I think better new Margarita Station. But new Margarita Station little bit far only. If very close to Fields Avenue, but of course better. But I think problem is rent. Expensive maybe. Bread house soon open here. Bread house. Philippine people like bread, I know. Active also here. Active is Barangay. Barangay information. Angeles City information. I forgot the engagement. balut also here. Balut. MC Cafe don't have people inside. Yes, empty, empty. And second floor also don't have people. All club, music bar. Kimchi restaurant. No parking here. Here also garbage. I don't know why not remove. Oh, new bar maybe name. Hardin. Hardin. Not Hardin. Need to Harbin. It's Chinese city. Harbin. Beta. Soya bar. Sky trucks close, I don't know why. Usually Saturday bars is about 8 o'clock already start to open. I don't know why not now.
Sabi nga nung ano.
You see girls sit near, not in front of a Phillies bar, because not allowed. Just side. Yeah, because they're not allowed to stand in the front of a Phillies bar. Oh, it's already Red Street. Okay, I will ask now again. Again I will ask. Georgi filming me right now.